viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in this video I'm giving you information how to add new blockchain in your TokenPocket wallet. Yes, that's name is Cronos. Cronos basically blockchain of crypto.com. I know you are already familiar with crypto.com. Crypto.com is top 100 cryptocurrency list. So if you need to get this information, how can you add in TokenPocket? So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you, but first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So well, first of all, I'm going to log in my account and we will check the blockchain of Cronos in our MetaMask wallet available or not. Then I will add in our TokenPocket. Sorry, I have entered my wrong password here. I have entered my password here. Now you can see here the TokenPocket wallet is open front of me. Going to click on expand view. Now expand view is shown front of me, and you can see here there is the network area, and we will check the Cronos blockchain available or not. You can see here Ethereum, Mainnet, BNB, HCO, OKX Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, KCC, BTTC, Harmony, Phantom, Clayton, Arbitum, Aurora. I think not available here Cronos blockchain in our TokenPocket wallet. So now we are going to add in our wallet. So how can I do this? Is so simple and easy. Just simple click on custom RPC. You need to put here the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. Before going to put on this, so I'm going to open CoinMarketCap and we will check the rank of Cronos. I'm going to click on main interface. Now as you can see here, the CoinMarketCap is open front of me and Bitcoin price is $30,000. And if we need to check the rank of Cronos, you can see here on 19 number available. Just simple click on it, and this time price is 17 cents only, and the official website is available here, crypto.com. I already told you about Cronos of crypto.com blockchain. If I click on this, you can see here when the token launch is CoinMarketCap, then only 1 cent, and after launching and taking the time, the all-time high 19 cent, mean 90% up, but now price is 17 cent only. So you can also buy sell this coin on these exchanges: Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Global, and Bittrex. And if you need to visit official website, simple click on it, and then you can see here the official website open front of you. The website like Binance, but this time not supported many country of this website. You can also trade your coin, and you can also buy sell, and you can also buy Cronos token from this website. I'm not giving you any financial advice. It's depend on you want to buy or not. Okay, just simple visit this website and get more information about crypto.com. So I'm going to add this token on our TokenPocket wallet. I have already information in my notepad file. Just simple click on copy Cronos mainnet, simple, and paste here. Name, second RPC URL, just simple copy and paste here. Third is chain ID is 25 and currency symbol is CRO. CRO means the token of crypto.com. This time price is 17 cents. You can also save your token for long term on TokenPocket, but before going to save your token, you must take the private key and also take the 12 phrases, otherwise your fund will be lost. So all information I have put on it, you can see here. Before going to click on save button, you cross check you have entered all information correctly or not, otherwise your blockchain will not be work. Simple click on save button and then the blockchain will be added in your main TokenPocket wallet. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add a new blockchain in your TokenPocket wallet. You can easily any blockchain add in your TokenPocket, but before going to add, you must have the all information like new RPC, network name, chain ID, and also block explorer. Then you can easily add. So I hope you properly understand. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So you must subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWalletInfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in English language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Please visit my YouTube channel, and after that you just simple click on video button. Then you can see here I have already made the many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets. You just watch all video one time and get more information about cryptocurrency wallets. Some subscribers message to me again and again. Sometimes I'm busy, so that I am not replying. So please don't be angry. When I free, I must read your comments and I must reply to your any questions, and I hope I will resolve your problems. So keep in your mind, please don't comments again and again. Okay, so I hope you understand properly TokenPocket. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.